Right, here's a quick screencast of how to use Jing. First you have to get Jing installed, and once you've got it installed you'll have a yellow sun will appear. With Jing you need to tell it what you want to screen capture. So there's these three little circles come out. The first one we want to look at is the capture one. So click on that and up will come some crosshairs, and you click and drag with your mouse until you get the area that you want to look at. So I've just got a Garmin site here that you can have a look at. So that's what I want to capture using Jing. So that's cool. I come down to here and you go capture video, and it will capture for you, and it tells you that the mic's on. So everything that I say now will be recorded under Jing. So you'll see that these little scroll bars go like that. If I want to change windows or anything here on the computer, it will then capture it for me. So I can look at different windows and those kind of things, but remembering that whatever screen you set up to capture is what size it will look at. So anything you do in this area here will be captured by Jing. When you're finished, just go stop, and it will come up with you and it will record it, and you can preview it and watch what you want to do. Can't edit it, but it's all there. You've got some settings down here which you can customize these buttons, and you can save it either onto your desktop, or you can save it via screencast, which is sharing via screencast. Now, we can save it to Scalaris, but today we'll probably just save it to my desktop. So I'll just do this as a trial Jing demo, or just save it as Jing demo. Go save, and it'll save it to a file, which is pretty cool. If you want to open a recent one, which is that one there, you can just open it up and it comes up with what you have. That's by just going to the file section here on your little sun, and I want to share it now via screencast, because when you join up with Jing you actually get a screencast account. So I've done that, and it will come up here and it says preparing to upload. So what it does is it takes your information and then sticks it onto your screencast account. Okay, you've got to, once you join with Jing, you get that account. That means then you can share it with a whole lot of other people by just doing a link to screencast. So the advantages of that is then you can just put that link into a window or a page within Scalaris, and then people can access it through that. So now if I go and have a look at my library, when this refreshes, it will now bring in the podcast that I've got, which is my Jing demo there for that. And if I want to share that to people, you can come to this little arrow here, and it tells you where you can share. So you can grab the URL, put that into Scalaris, or you can embed it as a HTML link as well, and that goes on your web page or a blog, and then you can also put your page on your own website or your blog. So it actually works quite well, so it does well, and then you can email invitations for people to look at it. So that is one way of doing it, or you can just store that screencast on Scalaris, and that should also work. And at the end, then just go done, and that's the end of it. So that's how you do a screencast with Jing.